Hi, today in this video, I will teach about what are stable coins. Please subscribe my channel and like the video. So, let's start the video. What are stable coins? Introduction. Astable coin is a digital asset that objectives to uphold the same value as a stable asset. The US dollar has been the most public asset up to the present time. Stable coins are playing an important role in cryptocurrency markets. The notion behind stable coins is to associate the technical competences of digital assets. However, in case an alternate to the price volatility that has factually been normal of main cryptocurrencies similar to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Description. A stablecoin is cryptocurrency by means of a rotation. It develops its price from the value of another asset as an alternative of being mined by an open, distributed network of computers carrying out an arrangement of math and record-keeping. Briefly, a stable coin is on a fixed exchanged rate to another fundamental asset. A stablecoin share a lot of the same powers as ETH. Though, their value is stable, more like an old-style currency. Therefore, we have right of entry to stable money that we can use on Ethereum. Stability of stable coins. Stable coins are worldwide, and may be sent over the internet. They're easy to receive or send when we have an Ethereum account. Demand for stable coins is extraordinary. Therefore, we can earn interest for lending ours. Take care we're aware of the risks before lending. They are exchangeable for ETH and other Ethereum tokens. Plenty of dApps depend on stable coins. They are safeguarded by cryptography. No one may forge transactions on our behalf. Leading stable coins. The greatest noticeable stable coins are the ones used for trading on crypto exchanges. These comprise Tether, the most standard stable coin that is typically in the top 5 highest market caps for cryptocurrencies. USD Coin, or USDC, an open source project run by a consortium called Center. Binance USD, a stablecoin issued by Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange. What are stable coins? Categories of stable coin. There are 4 categories of stable coin. Fiat-backed, stable coin issuers hold 1:1 assets of fiat currency. The entire value ties how much they have backed by fiat. Crypto-backed, these stable coins are supported by other cryptos through smart contracts rather than a service provider. They are over-collateralized, that means the value of the crypto backing surpasses the value of stable coins issued, with the intention of account for price fluctuations. Commodity-backed, alike to fiat-backed stable coins, stable coin issuers clench equal values of commodities similar to valuable metals, oil, and real estate. The coins can or cannot be exchangeable for the physical asset. Algorithmic, these stable coins are not supported. In its place, they object to uphold a stable value over algorithms and smart contracts that manage the expansion and contraction of token supply. Uses of stable coins. The main use for a stablecoin is enabling trades on crypto exchanges. As a substitute of buying Bitcoin straight with fiat currency, similar to the US dollar, traders frequently exchange fiat for a stable coin. Then perform a trade with the stablecoin for another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or Ether. As follows, stable coins are kind of similar to poker chips for crypto exchanges. The most broadly traded stable coins are each related with a particular exchange. Tether with Bitfinex. USD Coin with Coinbase. Binance USD with Binance. However, advanced crypto traders can use stable coins for a multiplicity of drives. With staking and lending, most trainees use them to soften trading fees. That's due to several exchanges don't charge for exchanging US dollars for a stable coin. Actually, Tether presently accounts for more than half of all Bitcoin traded into fiat or stablecoin, as said by CryptoCompare, an international cryptocurrency market data provider. One more use for stablecoins is remittances. That is, moving funds through international borders. That may be exchanged between individuals in diverse countries deprived of gaining the considerable fees exacted by third parties for cross-border money transfers.